This is my almost complete mobile RC plane hanger. It's a 14 by 8 enclosed trailer. I've put a generator for power, and I've also put a battery with an inverter to provide 110 power when I'm not plugged up to anything. This reel goes out the side of the trailer and will plug into a receptacle to charge everything when it's parked. And it's got an onboard refrigerator, toolbox, got a workbench up in the front end of it, fire extinguisher, got LED lights, 12 volt for lighting. Got my radio boxes, flight box, storage area. Just finished putting in the checkerboard tile flooring and mounting the seats for sitting at the airfield. And I've got 2 of my planes in the hangar already. I can put 4 planes on these shelves, 1 on the floor and 3 on the shelves, and possibly some more on the walls. And this is the rear end of it. Put the checkerboard on the ramp, just like the inside. And I'm able to access my planes from the rear of the trailer. And I also have 12 volt spotlights for lighting up the back end back here. And they're on a switch. And they swing up out of the way. Got my F117 Stealth ducted fan and a 40 size ugly stick, purple and gold, high school colors, and I've got a second fire extinguisher here at the rear end.